Alright, y'all, here is another vacuum that I got today. This time it is a Hoover Celebrity QS, which is, it even says it right here, Quiet Series. Honestly, I just had to grab this because I've never had a Celebrity before. It is a 2-speed unit, as we can see right here. But before we run it, I just want to go ahead and show. It did come with a bag installed. It's a Hoover Type H bag. It's pretty clean looking in here. Okay, it just sits like that. I don't know what this is for. But it's sitting there on top of the around the motor. Yeah, the bag. Oh man, doesn't look like it was on there very good. Oh, and there's a hole in it. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and set that aside. It came with 2 packs of bags. Go ahead and put one in here. It'll be like a little how-to video as well. So this goes in here like this. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but just set this on top of the motor. Get this bag kind of opened up. Okay. All right. So we got the bag opened up a little bit. Get this in here. At least try to get this in here. Should just go on like that. So trying to, okay, getting some progress here. I try to make a how-to and it's not going too well for me. Goes on just like that. And we're good to go from there. Oops. I don't think there's anything blocking it. No. This little clip here. I'm gonna have to cut the video for now until I can get this on here. All right, I finally got the thing to latch down, so yeah. But before we get going with the vacuum, I would like to point out here that it didn't just come with 2 packs of bags. It also came with 3 things of belts for the power head and the owner's manual. As we can see, we got the details in here and where it says review before using. I mean, we don't really need to read this, but Yeah. So we'll get these out of the way and we'll go ahead and try it out. All right. So I've got the thing hooked up here. Well, I don't have the power head plugged in, but let's go ahead and fire this thing up. Got it on low speed. And here's high speed. And we're gonna start it on low. We're gonna plug the power nozzle in. Okay, so it's got an on-off switch. See how much airflow it has at the handle, or at the wand. It's actually pretty good. Yeah, it sounds like we got a little bearing noise going on, so I'll have to open this up later and check that out. But it did at least come with with the crevice tool, and we got a dusting brush, which is kind of worn, kind of to be expected, and a floor brush. So yeah, so there's Hoover Celebrity QS Quiet Series. I hope y'all enjoyed that. Tell me how you liked it. Tell me what y'all want to see. I'll see what I can do, how I can do it, when I can do it, and if I can do it. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more content. And until next time, bye y'all.